Hi, this is Pam from Hooked on Sewing. In this video tutorial, I want to show you how and where to oil your Janome sewing machine. Now, I'm using the Janome Horizon Memory Craft 8200 QCP Special Edition sewing machine, but this should apply to most Janome sewing machines. Please refer to your sewing manual for more instructions. The two areas that Janome identifies on my machine that need to be oiled are the presser bar and the wick in the hook area or the hook race. So let's take a look first at the area of the presser bar. You need to open the front cover on the side of your machine and you'll see the little bar that moves up and down when you turn your hand wheel. You'll apply 1 or maybe 2 drops of oil right there in the middle of the bar, and then take the hand wheel and turn it towards you and just turn it a few times to get the oil up and down that bar. Okay, the next area is the wick that's in the race hook area, the hook area, right underneath your bobbin. So right in the center there is a wick, and you just need to apply 1 or maybe 2 drops once a month to this area. Don't apply more oil than that, and don't allow the oil to pool. If you have questions about cleaning your sewing machine, I have a tutorial for that. If you have more questions about how to oil or care for your sewing machine, please leave them in the comments below and I'll be glad to address them. Thank you. And please come visit me over on the Hooked on Sewing blog and subscribe to my newsletter where you'll get sewing tutorials, tips, and patterns delivered straight to your inbox. Thank you.